Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be unboxing the CHIC Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly box, so I did not have one last month, but I have one this month, so I'm super excited to see what I got. I love the subscription box because it's all makeup, just what I like. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then as per usual, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I get into my video, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. So welcome everyone. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related. So you're going to see a lot of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel because I absolutely love trying like new makeup, new beauty products, skincare products, hair products, anything beauty related. So you're going to see makeup hauls on here as well. And I love mystery boxes, makeup mystery boxes. So if these are things that you like to watch, then I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and becoming a part of my YouTube family. So I'm so excited to open my box. I cannot talk today, but let's just dig in. But if you haven't already, before I get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's dig in. Alrighty, so this is how the box comes. Isn't it cute? I'm loving the pink with the bow. This box retails for $34.99. Now, CHIC Beauty has not put up their prices in their boxes as of yet, but a lot of makeup subscription boxes have been putting up their boxes, such as like BoxyCharm just put up their prices, Ipsy put up their prices, Allure put up their prices. Everybody's been putting up their prices. So we'll see. My Walmart beauty box, everybody's been putting up their prices. So we'll see. So far they haven't said and mentioned anything, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. So when you open her up, this is what the box looks like. You get a little card, and then there's two variations you can have. Variation 1 and 2. So they show you like what you could have got in your variation. This is going to be your sneak peek. And then now I'm going to dig into the box and see what I got. So one thing I like about this box is that they give you drugstore makeup and they give you high-end makeup, because I've definitely been slacking when it comes to like my drugstore makeup. So this just reels me back in so I can try drugstore stuff as well, because you know what? Drugstore stuff is just as good as any other makeup brand that's in Sephora or Ulta. So I like trying drugstore stuff too, so you get a little bit of both worlds. The first thing I see on top is this is a highlighting palette by Revlon. It's called Photo Ready Sunlit Dream. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, this is a bummer. This palette is way too light for my skin tone. Look at that. I can't even use anything in this palette, so I will be giving this away in my future giveaway. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do another giveaway, so this will be in that. Alright, so let's see. What variation did I get? So I guess I got variation number 1. This retails for $14.99. Like I said, I paid $34.99 for the box. So let's see. It says I got a Cover FX glitter drops. That was $44. That was over the price of the box. Who knows what I chose? You do get to pick some of your items, but ooh, wow. Wow, wow. This definitely does not look like it's going to be good for my skin tone, but it is a beautiful like highlighter. Maybe I could use this the center of my eyes or something. This is, guys, look at this. Do you see the glitter in here? Like, wow, wow, wow. Holy moly. It doesn't, some like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, they have the product, but it also tells you about the product. So feedback would be, for them would be, I love that they put the prices, because some boxes don't even do the prices anymore, or like descriptions. I love that they have the prices, but it would be nice sometimes to like have a little brief description about what the product does. So let's see if I can find something on the box. It says these weightless drops of ultra fine glitter can be used anywhere you want. A lustrous glow. It's clinically tested. It says you could put a desired amount of drops on any product and apply directly to skin. So let's see how this looks on my skin. Which we already know it's gonna be too light for my skin tone, but maybe if I mix it with something, because this is gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Hold on. Oh my goodness! Whoa! The camera doesn't give it justice, so it really, honestly, you guys, you have to look at it in person to see. Because I'm looking in the viewfinder and it's not looking cute at all. Probably because my hands are dry, because I'm always washing my hands. But this is beautiful in person. Now they have a darker bronzer color. One that would have looked beautiful for my skin tone. But of course, my option was, that option wasn't available for me. So I got the lighter shade. So far, I got 2 things in the box that I can't even use for my skin tone. I do a lot of freelance work where I do like weddings, proms, bar mitzvahs, all of that fun stuff. So I could use this stuff in my kit, but like, I'm excited about trying stuff for myself too. So I'm kind of bummed that I got 2 things so far that I cannot use, but let's continue getting into the box. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is Lip Fusion Beauty. It's I guess it's a lip plumper, liquid lip color. So this is what the box looks like. And then it looks like it's like a berry red color. Oh, actually it's a pink. If you look at the top, it looks kind of like a berry color, but the actual color is a hot pink. I'm here for this color. I definitely would wear this color. So at least so far I got something that I could wear. It says this retails for $9.99. So I guess this is like a drugstore product. The next thing I got is from Kat Von D. It's a liquid lipstick. I think I have this color already. I want to say that's what the box looks like. I have to see. I'm not going to swatch it because I think I have this one. I think. This is what the color looks like. It says this retails for $21. Now, it has a little crack on the top, if you guys can see. So I hope this is not like a dried out product, because I didn't even get to use it yet. But I would wear these 2 things. So at least I got 2 things that I could wear. The next thing is from Cover FX as well. And it's a shimmer veil. Let's see what color I got. Oh my, wow. Their glitter stuff is very pretty. This retails for $28. This is very expensive. This is what it looks like. Look at that color. This color will be nice on my skin tone. So what do you use this for? It says a pearlescence cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want. For a veil of shimmer. It says buildable formula, feels weightless, lasts all day, and won't crease or transfer. So 3 things I got that I like. So I got 5 items. These were my 5 items. It just sucks that, like, I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to make this work. I don't know if I'm going to mix it, like, I don't know, with my foundation for, like, my cheek area or what, or maybe if I can mix it with my foundation. I don't know. I have to play with this, but this is gorgeous. Just, I wish I got the bronze one. That would have matched my skin tone a little bit better. This palette is a hard no because it's not gonna, it's just a hard no. The colors will not work for me. But nevertheless, I think I got my money's worth since like I said, I'll round it to $35. Sometimes I feel like it's better to, if you like something, just buy what you like, just because then you get stuff like that you don't want and you're never going to use it. Like for me, lucky for me, I have a kit where I do my gigs that I could put this stuff in. But for regular people who just love makeup, they're going to start having stuff that they don't need. So that's the only downside. Beggars can't be choosers. That's what it is when you get makeup subscription boxes. So super excited, guys. Right after this, look what I got, guys. I remember telling you guys I got the Sephora Favorites candle sampler. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Now, you guys know I love candles. My subscribers know that I love candles. So I'm excited. Now, you get 5 candles in there, and then you get to pick one full size out of the one that you chose out of that. So I'm going to film that next. And then I also was bad. I did some shopping as well and got some goodies. More goodies. I just went to Sephora and spent like pretty much almost $500. And now I think I spent like $500 again. Your girl can't control herself. So I think I'm just going to film the candle sampler today. Because you guys know I do like more than one video in one day, even though I don't upload them both at the same time. And then I think I'll get around to doing like my Sephora haul. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. What do you guys think about CHIC Beauty Box? Do you like that box? I mean, I love that it's all makeup. But I want to say, I don't know if I've been getting stuff that I'm super excited about. Like, I miss the days where like BoxyCharm used to be popping and like it will be all like the coolest makeup stuff, coolest skincare stuff that you wanted to try. Like, I like boxes that make me excited. So my advice to these makeup subscription boxes, not like they're watching my tiny little channel, but if I would give advice, I would give stuff that the people would be excited about, like new stuff, like color, fun, like lively. Like, for example, I got like 2 lip stuff. Like, make everything like different, so you're not getting double, like two lip stuff, 2 eye stuff. Like, give it like a whole bunch of stuff. Because back in the day, people would be able to create like looks with their boxes, but it's like doubles of like the same things. And it's just like, I would do one thing from every category: 1 blush, 1 eyeshadow palette, 1 lipstick, 1 highlighter. I mean, that's just my opinion and my opinion only. But nevertheless, it wasn't too bad. I would give this box I would give it a 7 out of 10. Obviously, I can't wear this. I'm trying to remember if they do surveys for your skin tone. I don't think so, but I can't wear this. I'll find out if I can wear this. And it's only like, I'm stuck with 2 lip products. And it's like, I like when they do like more, when the makeup subscription boxes do more like eyeshadows, like an actual eyeshadow palette. Those things are excited. Give the people what gets them excited, like eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. But nevertheless, I am going to use this stuff because I'm not going to let my money go to waste. You know, I paid for this box. So, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.